Well, beginning July 1st, a handful of new laws went into effect, including the use of deadly force policy for Indiana law enforcement agencies. Fox 59's Claire Curry spoke with the State Law Enforcement Academy about the change and what it means for police statewide.
For the last year and a half, the Law Enforcement Training Board has been working to create a uniform policy for all agencies in the state to follow when it comes to the use of deadly force. The board is made up of 20-plus people coming from all walks of life. The Indiana General Assembly tasked them with streamlining the policy in 2022.
So the idea was to create a standard for police officers across the state so that those in Lake County were performing the same as those in Vanderburgh County.
An officer is allowed to use deadly force in Indiana when there is probable cause to believe there's an imminent threat to a citizen or themselves. Under the old law, each agency had their own variation of what an officer would deem as an acceptable situation for the use of deadly force. Now justification will be based off of national case law across the board.
The new law that is in effect makes the use of force in alignment with what's used nationally, which, as I understand it, coming in alignment with Graham versus Connor 1989.
One tactic some agencies used to allow and others didn't is the use of chokeholds. The Indiana Law Enforcement Academy understands there are differing opinions on whether choking is appropriate or not.
And in a deadly force, when there is substantial risk of serious bodily injury to a citizen or to a police officer, then frankly all bets are off and any tactic is appropriate and authorized in the state of Indiana.
This policy will be taught to new recruits and current officers, so there is full understanding when in the field.
I think it's a living, breathing policy, and so as new Supreme Court cases come down the pike, new state laws, new Indiana case law, of course we would alter it if need be.
To view the policy that went into effect, you can head over to our website for more details. Reporting in the newsroom, Claire Curry, Fox 59 News.